Calling all muscle car enthusiasts, did you know that the Ford Mustang has a truly iconic history? This legendary pony car first hit the market in 1964 and has since become a staple of American automotive culture. From its sleek, fastback design to its powerful V8 engines, the Mustang has captured the hearts of drivers for generations. The Mustang's iconic status goes beyond its striking appearance and performance capabilities. It has also played a significant role in shaping popular culture, appearing in countless movies, TV shows, and music videos over the decades. The car's association with freedom, rebellion, and the open road has resonated with audiences worldwide. Moreover, the Mustang has been a canvas for innovation, with Ford continuously introducing cutting-edge technologies and features into each new iteration. From advanced safety systems to fuel-efficient powertrain options, the Mustang has evolved to meet the changing demands of modern drivers while retaining its signature muscle car spirit. Today, the Mustang remains a symbol of American automotive excellence, blending heritage and innovation in a way that continues to captivate enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its ability to transcend mere transportation and become an icon of style, performance, and cultural significance. Explore the rich history of the Ford Mustang with CarSwagger, your go-to destination for all things muscle cars. Dive into the evolution of this iconic model, learn about the key milestones, and discover why the Mustang continues to be a beloved choice for thrill-seeking drivers. Rev up your support for CarSwagger. Subscribe to stay in the fast lane for the latest car reviews, exciting adventures, and expert insights. Hit that like button if you're a true car enthusiast. Drop a comment with your favorite car model or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to share the horsepower. Spread the word by sharing this video with your fellow gearheads. Join the CarSwagger community and let's drive into the future together.